Welcome to our tutorial about multiple points. You might find yourself in a situation where you need to use multiple points in one of your drawings. Let's learn where the multiple point tool is. Home tab, Draw panel. Now let's left-click to activate multiple points. With the tool active, every left click places a point. We can also specify the coordinates manually, say 10, tab 10. Press Enter. To exit, press Escape. Our points are kind of hard to see, or maybe in your situation you don't see them at all. In any case, let's learn how to fix this. I'm going to type in DDP. AutoCAD gives us some command suggestions. Let's select DDP type. The Point Style dialog window is open, and here we've got a number of choices. Currently, small dot is selected for the point style. We can also use nothing at all, or we can select a point type that's suitable for our situation. Let's click OK. Now let me select a point and uncollapse the Properties palette. I can modify my point right here, for example, the position. Let's right-click and select Recent Input, DDP type, and the Point Style window opens. Down below, we've got the option for point size. We can use a % option, and this sets the size relative to the screen. Or we can set the size in absolute units. Let's try out the relative to screen option, OK? Activate the line command. Ensure that Snap Mode's toggled on, and make sure that Snap to Node is active. And let's snap lines to my points. Right-click and enter to close the tool. Let me zoom out and then zoom back in. Let's regenerate. View, Regen. The points stay the same size. Let's regenerate again. And as you see, the point size is constant. Let's go to Recent Input, DDP type. Here's the Point Style dialog window. Let's try the Absolute Unit option. OK. Let's zoom in and out, and let's go to View, Regen. And as you see, the size of the points is constant. This concludes our tutorial about using multiple points.